Edinburgh University of Pennsylvania. Welcome to my first installment of How to Do That, HTDT. Today we're going to be looking at Microsoft 2007 and how to format an MLA style research paper. And these are the standards that are used by the Modern Language Association. They've all agreed that this is the way the things should be. Don't ask me why, but this is the way things should be. So we're using three tabs here: the home, the insert, and the page layout. And we're going to format our entire paper. So this is, most college papers are required to be in this format, at least in my classes. This is my expectation. So we want to choose our font to be either Arial or Arial or Times New Roman. So Arial's right here, so we'll choose that. Your font pitch can be either 10, 11, or 12. No bigger, no smaller. I prefer 11. And once we have that done, we want to go to the insert, and we want to make sure that we paginate our pages. So we're going to put here at the top of the page in the hand corner our page number, and we'll see here some professors might ask you to, if you're making a title page, to leave the page number off the first page. So if you did that, you would just click it here and that would disappear, but that's not necessary for this particular assignment, or at least in my class. Alright, we're going to close the header. And now we want to go to the page layout. We want to make sure that all of the margins are 1 inch all the way around. So we go to the margin tab here. We make sure it's 1 inch, excuse me. And then while we're here, we want to make sure our spacing is set to 0. Mine defaults to 10 after. I don't know why, but I need to go ahead and change that. So make sure that your spacing is 10. And we want to make sure our paragraph line spacing is 2. And we did that by right-clicking on the page itself. Again, I'll show you that. Right-click, paragraph, and make sure it's double-spaced. And here's another place where you can check your spacing. All right, we're going to click OK. The content of the first page is important because that's your identifiers. So you want to make sure you have your last name and your first name. And then we want to have your course ID, which is the SED for this particular model, 102, and your section number, which is 1 or 2, depending on which class you're in. Let me come down and make sure that we have your professor's name and the date you submit the paper. So let's use 18 October 2011, exactly in that format. We come down again. We want to go to the home. Make sure this is centered because this is going to be the title of our essay. Again, it's not underlined, it's not bold, it's not italicized. It's simply the title of your essay, and you want to make sure you capitalize the important words. Don't forget to switch over to, when you come down, to the left margin, because we don't want to center our entire essay. We want to make sure it's aligned to the left. Don't forget to paragraph, you indent, and you begin your essay here. And that's all you need to do. If we come down to the next page, you'll see that the page number continues. You'll see that right here in the top right hand corner. Okay, that's all I need to tell you. You do this for every paper, formal paper that you turn in to me, and probably most professors also.